Hey guys, welcome to Let's Do Coding. So we are back with the cloud budget video, and this time we are going to do that for Azure. If you have not watched the previous videos, I request you to go to our playlist that's on the top right, and there you can select the rural cloud and AWS budgeting videos. There we have some basic details on how the budgeting works, how does cloud happens. So let's quickly jump into Azure without wasting the time, since we believe in the hands-on part. Okay, so quickly jumping over here. So right now I am on subscription page. Once you log into your Azure account, you can quickly go over here. You can type in subscription, and that will open this page. Let's try to do that again. So once I do that, it will land me to subscription. I can press my name, subscription name, and I will land over here. So once we have over there, again, it's more or less same thing. We are on the billing or the subscription page. We can just go to the budgets. I'll quickly press the budgets. Once the budgets are pressed, it will open this page where it will show if any of the budgets are there. We don't have any. Let's create a new budget. I'll quickly press add. So more or less, you see the things are more or less same across the clouds. It's just a way of representation how the things are being represented across cloud. So some filters, something here and there, up and down, but more or less the things remain same. So we have the page over here. Let's quickly name our budget. Budget one. Oh, sorry. Budget one. Yep. Now, how do we want it? We want it monthly, quarterly, yearly. Monthly, quarterly, yearly. I'll press billing month, and then we select the dates where we want it and the amount. So I'll press 1 as the 1 USD for that. Right now I'm not having much spend, so it is not showing details over here, but generally, like what happens, it will show a graph, and it shows a line, how much that part, or how much proximity you are in to cross that. Sorry. So I'll quickly press next, and we have the page over here. I think there's some problem. Let me quickly refresh it. We lost. So let's quickly add it again. There's let's quickly refresh it again. There was some problem with the layout. I'll quickly put in those values again. Okay, so here we are. Now I have to see step 1 is create budget, that we have done. Now we have to pass in those details over here. It is still analyzing. Now analysis is done. I'll put in the value as 10%, that is 0.1. So we have selected 1 over there. 10% is 0.1. We have to select an action group. Now action group is something like what we have seen in the GCP monitoring. If you've not seen that video, I request you to go over there and have a look. So these are basically the notification preferences that you want. For instance, like you want to shoot out to a specific list of people. It's not that, but something on a similar lines. You can a group of notification targets can be selected. So basically, I'll select. You can select over there. I'll select the default one that are being created just for the sake of this. And here we can do that part. I will select. I'll select my email ID. That's good. And I will select create. So both the checkboxes are correct. It will validate, and my budget is created. So you see, guys, the budget is for $1. Sorry, 1 rupees. That's INR 1, and you will get an alert once I reach the 10% of this target. So more or less in the 3 videos that we have seen, we have created the budgets for GCP, then AWS, followed by the Azure in the current video. And this is the first step when you start your journey to cloud. You should know how to create a budget, how to manage this, because this is one of the major aspects that can prevent a lot of costs in your long running time. So I'll end this video. Please do like and subscribe and put in whatever feedbacks you have in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.